Um, okay. Oh. Aló, soy José Ramón Aviña. I'm José Ramón Aviña. My name is José Ramón Aviña. Today is what day? Make sure that I got it correctly. Today is Thursday, June 7, 2018. It's 7:53 p.m. Pacific Time from Imperial, California, United States, America. I just recording, doing some paperwork. United States District Court. And I do it by internet a while back, and I called this one and it says a certain time. Let me write the time. Oh Jesus. Okay. Está en español. This secretary reminded to contact the Imperial County jury system after 4:30 p.m. May 18, 2018. And I called after that time. They said to call back, hours, from 8 to certain other time, working hours. And I called working hours, and they tell me that it's not for that. So after 4:30 p.m. and they say on the phone that to call a working hour from 9 a.m. to certain other hour or 9 a.m. I don't remember, but in the morning. And I call, and after they just losing my time, making too many phone calls for nonsense thing. I'm not saying nonsense, but I should not say nonsense, excuse me, correction, but it's a total mess, the court system. I got this one. I'm gonna show it in internet, doing the paperwork by internet at www.casd.uscourts.gov. There's the internet link. I'm doing it right now, but in internet, and I just want to show you something. There's oh jeez. Okay, I'm here on the login on the United States District Court. Is in the internet recording on my wall, cell phone, and I write here the participant number. Here on my paper I got 103214770. I'm supposed to add a 0, and can I add a 0 here? I wonder why. Oh, is that it now? Okay, I add it now. I don't know what was wrong. Oh, then just keep it for my records. I record it for security reasons. Keep this on my record. I'm doing it. Sending it. Was able to. Oh, the 0 disappeared now. I had a 0 there. Supposed to be a 0. And look like somebody. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. No 0 added there. I don't know why. Yeah. What? The court system? Jesus. See, I'm trying to log in, but oh, Jesus. I don't was doing that by email, the jury, but can I add a zero on my paper? Let me see. I'm not gonna zoom on this one. The number is here. I click put it's missing a zero on the internet link, but here I put zero, and the internet I can add a zero, disappear the zero at the end, and cannot log in for the court system. United States District Court. I don't know what's wrong, what's going on. I tried to do my citizens work, but appears to be a mess everything. I wonder who's the the leader. United States is a mess. I would like to tell some other things that happened before now. Different later. Okay. Now it looks like everything is very mediocre about the court systems and even from the United States District Court. Look like it's a mediocre stuff paperwork. The internet. I tried to add I can add a zero there and log in. I don't know why, or somebody doing something wrong. It looks like a total mess. I'm not lying, okay? To be honest, you've been a witness, eyewitness. You're a witness by hidden cameras, secret cameras, a hacker. You've been hacking, what I'm saying, doing, what am I doing with hidden camera, hidden microphone. You know the truth. You know what I mean, huh? I should not. I should not say. You know what I mean. You should know what I mean, but I don't know. You know what I meant. Anyway, man, I think my hair looks terrible. Sometimes this one I try to comb one's hair. It looks cute, at least a little cuter, huh? Excuse me. What's wrong with the court system? United States court system, total mess. Oh, I just wanted to say another thing, and I promise to God Almighty, Yahweh. I don't remember the name. I'll leave it alone right now. A different time. I don't remember that year exactly day. A few years back, I went to a court day in Central California. I don't remember how it's called that court, but it's located at the Valley Plaza Mall in the city of Central California, United States of America, by Main Street. Somewhere by Main Street and Imperial Avenue. Valley Plaza Mall, there's a court room. I went up there and I asked for another court day to go. A higher court, again, Imperial Police Officer Sheffield, about an incident that happened where Sheffield lied, and the man yeah, they gave me a day against Sheffield, and when I was getting out, but there was, after that, got out from the court. Before getting out of the room, there's a place called counter by the clerks. I still remember a lady there, the clerk lady, writing my name wrong, spell it wrong. I had to correct it. She didn't want to correct it. She said the number is there still, same one, but still, I didn't say much, but anyway, she didn't write my name properly correct. I didn't insult her or anything. I don't remember, but probably a lot of people watch it and listen by hidden cameras, secret cameras, microphones, secret hackers, non-hackers, law enforcement, law enforcement, military, non-military, BPs and not BPs. The lady wrote my name, misspelled it wrong. I told her about it. She didn't want to listen. Probably she listened, but didn't want to obey, didn't want to do it properly right. And by that order, not by the order, but by what she said, here, I just call whoever that lady was, or woman, she was not very competent. As a matter of fact, she is incompetent woman working a court system because she don't spell the name properly correct. Even when another person tells her, I told her, with me to correct it, she didn't want to correct it. It's a number, the same one she said. But was wrong. One letter misspelled, can be trouble. What misunderstandings. And when a court lady or a courthouse worker as a clerk or whoever it is working and knows she's misspelling names on purpose or not on purpose, that's a misbehavior, incompetent person that I would call her. Based on the Holy Bible, people that don't listen. It's a place where God talks to a prophet. God said to the people that the Israelis will not want to listen because they're stupid. Just different words. I gotta find that verse where they call it stupids because they don't want to listen, when they don't listen and they don't correct things properly correct, they're called stupid. And when a person knowing something that is true and they're lying or doing things on purpose that are not correct or are false, they're called stupid in a way. Just when a person start lying, especially a law enforcement officer, there are incompetent people, and just like saying as ignorance. And when a person is ignorant, some people call ignorant stupid, boneheads, dumbs, mental ills, sick. The Old Testament calling, certain people that they wanna hear, call it stupid. They cover their ears, right? They don't wanna hear. Probably same things are applies to people that cover their eyes, they don't wanna see. They see, but they hide things. They're not properly competent. It's a bunch of incompetence. Maybe the incompetence of the United States of America court system is by the leader. The leaders, the head leader, whatever it is, got a problem. Just they'll get blamed sometimes, just because one method fails, everything fails. Most a lot of people, I don't know, I shouldn't say because really I don't know, I'm not perfect of course. Talking about ignorance, when a police officer start lying, it's same thing as being stupid, dumb, mental ill, because they're lying and they're ignorant. And they're not ignorant, but call it stupid because they're not supposed to be lying. According to many people trust police officers and they start lying, right? When they start lying, stupid, ignorant, because same things are ignorant or stupid because they're not telling the truth as it is. A honest person will tell you the truth as it is, not making it up, something that is not true. Shave your life, officer shave you, and how he dies. It's my prayer. I was saying that I got out from jail that time, but there's a promise, and somebody out there knows. When shave your life, God Almighty knows. I'm a prophet of the Lord Almighty, who was witness there. A lot of people, many people, by electromagnetic satellite were listening, watching live. Says God Almighty. One of them, Robert Music. He was a witness. Electromagnetic cameras, satellite. Somebody else. Tonadue was another eyewitness by hidden cameras and listening by hidden microphones. or secret microphone and cameras. And I didn't record anything, but I don't know if the police officer should record anything on his patrol. Maybe he records something. There it is, promise. If they do not manipulate those images and something out that is not, as long as they don't be manipulated, should be there. I don't know if he recorded or not. Usually patrols carry, many of them probably carry cameras, video recorders. Yeah, I asked Officer Hernandez from the Priya Police Department. I mean, he can show the video from the Officer Sheffield at the from his vehicle. He record. Hernandez said they record, but they got no audio or sound. Record only video image, but not their sound. But I don't know how true it is what Hernandez said or not. When Sheffield arrested me based on lies. Oh, and the other lady at the courthouse, and then went go back to the first point. I don't remember her name, but misspelled my name. She didn't want to correct it. I don't remember the year and the day at this time when that incident happened. I don't got our papers right now with me. I need to look for them. How incompetent they are. Manuel Jose Ramon Avina. My date of birth September 19, 1966. I give you my social security number 546-719779. And I'm Toyo. Okay? Do your research and don't make a thing just a lie. The same thing as beat a mentoyo and or reverse, you know. I should not call it or reverse, but the problem is you, not me. Good day. Oh, what's missing is, I mean, they got zero on that paper here, and when I able to put it in my cell phone by internet, I don't know what, and try to log in, I don't know why. I try, so don't blame me on it. Okay, thank you. This is Jose Ramon Avina. I just call stupid those that are stupid. Nah, nobody else. God bless, my true friends only. The righteous one that don't lie too. If there's someone that don't lie, I keep say. Till next time. Un saludo a quien? Katy Perry? Hi. Till next time. No, I got no friends that I know. Oh, Sergio Fausto is my friend. I really want to remember. And another one that I thought was my friend is my friend. Who the other one? Francisco Javier. What's his last name? Grijalva. Francisco Javier Grijalva. That's my friend. Francisco Javier Grijalva. Sergio Fausto. And sending greetings to them. Saludo. And I'm missing one. Which other one missing? The real friends. I'm not talking about the mediocre one called themselves friends of mine. They are not at all anything. Not even close. Till next time. So yeah. Yeah, so yeah. Oh man. Oh. That's it. Oh, still recording. Oh jeez, let's stop this thing now. See. Hipócrita, ¿de veras? No sé. I do this. The camera, where the camera thing. You got recording and videos. Yeah. Oh, my God. Listen, no que no haya guardado nada. Still recording. Aleluya, no son aleluyas. Oh, that's también. It just stops here. Okay. Oh, Christian. Not at all. The picture is stop.